Hi everyone, I will introduce myself. My name is Annisa. I'm from English Literature 5B. My ID number 403190038. Okay, I will take this video for midterm public speaking. Let's start it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wabihi nasta'inu ala umurid dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajmain amma ba'du. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah, Lord of the world, King of the King, who has given us the mercy and blessings so we can attain today safely and healthy. Peace be upon to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness life to the lightness life, till we can discriminate between right and wrong, correct and correct. And I don't forget to thanks to my heroine who given the opportunity to speak in front of you all by the title, The Industrial Revolution 5.0. I will discuss material on contemporary issues. On this occasion, I will choose one of the titles, namely the Industrial Revolution 5.0. The Industrial Revolution 5.0, or what is often referred to as the cyber-physical system, is a revolution that focuses on automation and collaboration between cyber technology. The 5.0 revolution itself emerged in the 21st century with the main feature being the incorporation of information and communication technology into the industrial sector. So what is the important for us to know these contemporary issues? This is actually very important for us to know so as not to turn a blind eye to events that occur around the environment, for the sake of the home environment, work environment, or in the community, and can help the government in maintaining the sovereignty of the Indonesian nation. Okay, we will discuss how about Industry 5.0. What are the challenges of public service in the era of the Industrial Revolution 5.0? So, what was Industry 5.0 before? Of course, the word Industry 5.0 is very familiar to hear now, which we also know the Industry 5.0 is identical to technology based using artificial intelligence so that it can be tested. The definition of the Industrial Revolution 5.0 is a phenomenon that collaborates with the cyber technology and a series of automation technological where the concept of application is carried out by technology or without the need for human labor. In the application process regards of the role of technology in industry, the benefits can also be obtained by the whole community, such as retrieval and exchange of information, which can now be easily done anytime and anywhere as long as there is an internet network. In the context of being a student, it is necessary to follow this very pace, change wisely, and must evolve with the times. I take the example in the future now, which requires the teaching and learning process to be carried out online. Students must be able to use appropriate technology to meet the needs that must be carried out so that the teaching and learning process continue to run properly. The most important point about Industry 5.0, especially as a lectures, the role of lectures will be replaced by technology or robots. Why? Because humanity in the teaching and learning process is very necessary the emotional side that must touch directly to the students. The design principles in the Industrial Revolution 5.0 in helping companies to be able to identify and implement scenarios into the Industrial Revolution 5.0. There are four design principles which consist of the following. The first is interoperability or compatibility. The first design principle in interoperability or compatibility, which consists of the ability of machines, sensors, devices, and humans to connect or communicate with each other via LOT or Internet of Things or LOP, LOP or Internet of People. Number two is information transparency. The second design principle is information transparency, which is a form of the ability of information system to create a copy of the physical words and make it into a virtual form, which is done by inserting and exciting digital factory model. Using sensor data, this is a principle itself requires the collection of sensor data it raw from in order to produce content. Information that has a high value. Number three, the technical assistance. The third design principle is the technical assistance, which is the divide into two, namely the ability of a health system that is used to help someone by collecting and making visualization of the available information as a whole in order to make wise decisions and solve critical problems in a short time. Now, cyber physical systems capabilities that can be used to physically exist human that can be performed with a range of stakes that are less enjoyable to strenuous or even unsafe for humans to perform. And the last, independent decision. This design principle is the independent decision, which is the ability of existing cyber physical system to be able to make independent decision and carry out their own tasks if there is an exception, interference, and conflicting goals that the task will be delegated to the superior. Okay, maybe until here my speak. If I have wrong, I hope to all pardon me. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.